Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects each and every one of us, our daily routine and how it impacts our sleep. It's no secret that getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being, but did you know that our daily routine plays a big role in how well we sleep? In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a daily routine that promotes good sleep and how to improve the quality of your sleep. The importance of a daily routine. Creating a daily routine is essential for a productive and healthy lifestyle. When we have a routine, our bodies and minds know what to expect, which reduces stress and anxiety. By following a consistent routine, we can establish good habits and make time for the things that matter most to us. A good daily routine should include time for work, exercise, socializing, hobbies, and self-care. It's important to find a balance between these activities and make sure we're not overloading ourselves. When we have too much on our plate, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, which can lead to poor sleep. How to create a daily routine that promotes good sleep. Now that we've established the importance of a daily routine, let's talk about how to create one that promotes good sleep. First and foremost, it's important to establish a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate our internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep at night. In addition to a consistent sleep schedule, it's important to establish a wind-down routine before bed. This can include activities such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. The key is to find activities that help you relax and unwind, and avoid anything that stimulates the mind or body, such as watching TV or using electronic devices. Another important aspect of a daily routine that promotes good sleep is regular exercise. Exercise helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. It also helps to tire out the body, making it easier to fall asleep at night. However, it's important to avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as this can actually stimulate the body and make it harder to fall asleep. Tips for improving the quality of your sleep. Even with a consistent daily routine, it's not uncommon to experience sleep disturbances from time to time. Here are some tips for improving the quality of your sleep. Create a sleep-conducive environment. This means keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding and pillows, and remove any electronic devices that emit light or noise. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine can interfere with sleep, especially if consumed later in the day. Similarly, while alcohol may help you fall asleep, it can interfere with the quality of your sleep. Practice relaxation techniques. This can include deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Avoid naps during the day. While napping may seem like a good idea, it can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. If you must nap, keep it short, less than 30 minutes, and avoid napping too close to bedtime. Establishing a daily routine is vital for our overall health and well-being, and good sleep is an essential component of this. A consistent daily routine offers many benefits, including reducing stress, boosting productivity, and promoting good health. The daily routine is a set of habits and behaviors that you perform daily, from the time you wake up until you go to bed at night. A good daily routine should include time for work, exercise, socializing, hobbies, and self-care. However, when our daily routine is erratic or irregular, it can disrupt the natural rhythm of our body's internal clock, leading to sleep problems. Therefore, a consistent and healthy daily routine is essential for good sleep. The first and most critical step in creating a daily routine that promotes good sleep is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate the body's internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep at night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and avoid staying up late or sleeping in on weekends. Creating a wind-down routine before bed is also essential for promoting good sleep. A wind-down routine can include activities such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises or meditation. The goal is to relax the mind and body and avoid anything that stimulates them, such as watching TV or using electronic devices. Regular exercise is an essential component of a healthy daily routine and is also beneficial for promoting good sleep. Exercise helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep, and it also tires out the body, making it easier to fall asleep at night. However, avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can stimulate the body and make it harder to fall asleep. A balanced diet that includes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can also improve sleep quality. Try to avoid heavy meals before bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep. Also, limit caffeine and alcohol consumption, as they can disrupt sleep patterns. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is essential for promoting good sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in comfortable bedding and pillows. Also, remove any electronic devices that emit light or noise, as they can interfere with sleep. Even with a consistent daily routine, it's not uncommon to experience sleep disturbances from time to time. Practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. While napping may seem like a good idea, it can disrupt your sleep schedule, making it harder to fall asleep at night. Therefore, it's best to avoid napping during the day. Finally, avoid consuming caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening, as they can interfere with sleep patterns. In conclusion, establishing a healthy daily routine that promotes good sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. Creating a consistent sleep schedule, establishing a wind-down routine, regular exercise, a balanced diet, and creating a comfortable sleep environment are some tips for promoting good sleep. Additionally, practicing relaxation techniques and avoiding napping and consuming caffeine and alcohol can help improve the quality of your sleep. With these tips, we can create a routine that helps us lead a healthier, more productive, and more fulfilling life. To summarize, establishing a daily routine and good sleep habits is crucial for our overall health and well-being. By creating a consistent daily schedule, we can reduce stress, boost productivity, and promote good health. Additionally, getting enough high-quality sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. To promote good sleep, we should establish a consistent sleep schedule, practice relaxation techniques, exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and create a comfortable sleep environment. By prioritizing good sleep and establishing healthy habits, we can improve the quality of our sleep and enhance our overall health and well-being. Remember that everyone's sleep needs are different, and it's essential to listen to our bodies and make adjustments to our daily routine as needed. If you're experiencing ongoing sleep problems, consider consulting a healthcare professional, as there may be underlying health issues that need to be addressed. However, in most cases, establishing a healthy daily routine that prioritizes good sleep can improve the quality of our sleep and enhance our overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching our video on establishing a daily routine and good sleep habits. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release new videos on topics related to health and wellness. Additionally, please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are any topics related to health and wellness that you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you again for watching.